Priyanka. Kids, today I am going to explain you about different fruits. That is fresh fruits. Kids, do you like fruits? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So, fruits are very healthy for us and we have to eat daily at least one fruit in a day or 3. Okay? So, let us start. Which fruit it is? Apple. Okay? What is the color of the apple? That is red. So, kids, repeat after me. Red, apple. Apple is very healthy. We have to eat apple once in a day. Okay? At 10 o'clock when we eat one apple, and it's very healthy and it helps us to grow blood in our body. Okay? Then after, mango. Yellow, mango. Mango is also favorite fruits for all. Okay? We eat mango and the mango are in 2 color. We eat mango in the summer season where, okay, we drink mango juice also, and there are 2 type of mango, that is green in color, that is kacha mango, and yellow in color, that is pakka mango. Okay. Then after pear. Pear is green in color. It is also very juicy and tasty fruit. Okay. Watermelon. Watermelon. What is the color of the watermelon? Green. And inside it is red in color. Okay. It is also a juicy fruit. All the fruits are very juicy, but watermelon, pineapple, orange, then these some fruits are very juicy. They have water, lots of water inside. Okay. And it is very healthy. All the fruits are very healthy for us. So we should have to eat fruits. Or we can make fruit salad also. Okay. So look at the shape of the watermelon. It is very big in size. It is very big in size. Okay. And outside it is its color is green and inside it is red in color. And there are small seeds in the fruits. Okay. There are black seeds in the watermelon. Okay. Then cherries. Cherries are small in shape. It is also red in color. Okay. It is also very tasty and juicy fruits. Then after comes banana. When we finish our meal, lunch, okay, then dinner, after that we have to eat one banana. So banana digests our food. So daily we have to eat one banana. Okay. Or we can eat banana wafers and all. Cook at home and eat. Okay. It is yellow in color. And which animal like banana very much? Monkey. Okay. Then orange. Orange is a more juicy fruit. We daily drink that orange in breakfast. Many more are using breakfast orange. Okay. Orange juice is very healthy. Okay. Then after, peach. Peach, orange is orange in color, and peach is light yellow and red mix. Okay. And pineapple. Pineapple is inside yellow in color, outside orange. Then guava. Guava is green in color. It is also very healthy. It is okay. Then grapes. Grapes are also 2 in color. One is blue and green. purple and green. Okay. Then after strawberry, it is also juicy. So all fruits are juicy, healthy for us. All fruits have vitamins, minerals. Okay. So we have to eat daily one fruit. Okay. One more time, repeat after me. Apple. Say the color all of the fruit, so you can know which are the red in color and which are the yellow in color, which are green in color. Whenever teachers ask, say the fruits which are red in color. Say the names of the fruit which are red in color. Then you comes to know that apple, peach, then strawberry, cherries. These are the fruits in red in color. When teacher asks you which are the yellow fruits, yellow color fruits, then easily you came to know that mango, banana, these all are yellow in color. Then green color, pear, watermelon. Okay. So repeat after me. Red apple, mango, yellow mango, green pear, green watermelon, red cherries, yellow banana, orange, red peach, yellow pineapple, green guava, purple grapes, and red strawberry. So kids, revise the names and colors of fruits. Then now here, find the 5 difference between the 2 pictures and take them. We have to find the difference between them. Look at these 2 pictures. Okay? In this, different fruits are there. We have to find out in the second pictures that which fruit is not here. Look at here 2 cherries there. Here, only 1. So, 1 difference we find. Then here, 1 watermelon is there. Here, no watermelon. Second one. Then here, 1 peach is there. Here is not. Okay. Here grapes is there. Here is not. So 5 we can find out this way. Differences of these 2 pictures. Okay. First of all, I have to look at the picture, first picture. Then find out the differences in the second picture. That 5 fruit is not here. 1 cherry, grapes, peach and watermelon. So we have to tick here. With the pencil you have to tick here which differences we have find out. Then sort. Circle the green fruits. Just now I am saying that you have to learn the green, yellow, red color pictures. So you can sort out the green fruits. Now sort out here. Which are the green fruits here? That is grapes, watermelon, guava and pear. So these fruits are green in color. So you can easily find out, okay, and circle it. Then after, look at the pictures and draw lines to match the same fruits what is done for you. Here you have to match the same fruits. Look at here. Banana, apple, orange, pineapple, strawberry. Okay? Just match the same fruits. Then here, you have to count and tick. Now look at here. Tick the 7 mangoes. Then count the 7 mangoes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 7 mangoes you have to tick. Now look at here. Tick the 6 cherries. So count the cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tick 6 cherries. Tick 5 guavas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 oranges. So this way you came to know about the counting of the fruits also. Okay? And learn about numbers. So kids, today we have to learn about the fruits. So you have to revise the fruits names and color. Then came to the activity here, that is page number 95. Paper pasting apple and mango. Tear red and yellow crepe paper. Take a red and yellow crepe paper into small pieces. You have to tear into small pieces crepe paper. Then stick red color pieces on the apple and yellow color pieces on the mango. You know what are the colors of the fruits? That red apple and yellow mango. So tear into small pieces crepe paper, red paper and yellow. Then apply the glue here. Then stick all the crepe papers. Okay, look at the snapshot here. This way you have to stick. Okay, so kids, enjoy the activities and learn more about the fruits. And daily you have to eat the fruits, juice, so you can become healthy. Okay, thank you.